I'm going to show you how you can program the table of time to play any sticking you like. For example, here we have it playing Paradiddles. When you go into Playlist Manager, if you search for table, you should see the table of time. Double tap to load it, and you'll see a table of time that goes from quarter notes through quarter note triplets, eighths, eighth triplets, sixteenths, and this goes all the way up to 32nd notes, so it has 11 tuplets. And now for the paradiddle, I just need to enter a paradiddle sticking instead of a single stroke sticking. So I'll tap on the pattern and edit pattern, tap on the sticking and enter a paradiddle. So right, left, right, left, left. And then I want to put accents on every fourth note. So to add accents, you tap above the rhythm, and this brings up the accents panel. And rather than tying the accents to specific notes, I just want to say accent every fourth note. So you do that by tapping the tap to detach accents button at the bottom. And you'll see if I enter a single accent, it looks like it loops over all of the notes, which is exactly what we want. And then I want to add 3 spacers, and you can see that that is now going to accent every fourth note. And that's all we do. That sticking and those accents are looped over whatever rhythm is in there. So now I'm going to save the changes, and you'll see that we have a paradiddle that plays over that triplet. But if we move to the next item, we're back to single stroke rolls. So what I want to do is copy that paradiddle and paste it as the sticking for the entire playlist. So that's very easy to do. With the preset with the paradiddle loaded, tap on the preset name at the top and choose copy preset. And now we can paste attributes of that preset into the entire playlist. So we'll go back to the playlist, and I want to select everything in the playlist. So I'll tap the pencil button at the top to go into edit mode. Down in the bottom left, you'll see select all. So now everything is selected. I can perform actions with the same bottom left button, and I can choose paste attributes. So sequencer 1 is where our pattern was. So that's the source, so that's the destination. And then the only things that I want to paste are the stickings and the accents. So it won't affect the rhythm, which is where our different rates are. So when I hit paste, you'll now see that this entire playlist, let's start here, plays as paradiddles. So you have a paradiddle over a table of time. So that's what you can do with the table of time in PolyNome.